Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back again with another video from the Ledger series. Okay, so basically you already know that I have a Ledger Nano S, and since you are watching this video, this means that probably you have a Ledger Nano S too. So today basically I decided to connect my Ledger Nano S just to check my balance. And as soon as I opened the app from the Ledger, entered my PIN, I just got a message that there is a Ledger live, which I didn't know. So today we are going to install this Ledger live and see what basically this is and what we can do with it. But if you go to the Ledger web page, main web page, you can see it here, Ledger live. Basically it's an app or an interface which we can use all our settings of the Ledger Nano S in one place, which is very good because you probably know that before this we had Ledger Manager, we had Ledger Wallet for Bitcoin, Ledger Wallet for Ripple, Ledger Wallet for Ethereum. So basically there were all these wallets and all these apps separated from each other. So I think that this one is going to be a single one app which we can use to be more easy, let's say, on the Ledger experience. Okay, we can see here that it says send and receive crypto assets, check your balance anytime, install apps on your Ledger device directly. Okay, leader in crypto coverage, real-time balance, intuitive transactions, anyway, effortless app installation, and so on. Okay, so just let me just show you what happened before. So basically I got to the Ledger Manager. Let me connect my Ledger and input the PIN. Okay, and as you can see, this showed up, Ledger Live, all-in-one companion app for your Ledger devices. So basically this is the first time. So let's click and see what happens. I think it will bring us to the same page that we were. Yes, okay, so let's download it and get going after that. Okay guys, unfortunately I had some problems with my recording session after I downloaded the file. So basically unfortunately I don't have a way to show you how you can install and how you can set up for the first time Ledger Live, but believe me, it's really easy. You just need to follow the steps and you will be all done. So basically this is the app which it was downloaded. So let's open it and see and show you guys what it looks like. So let's open a little bit. During the setup process, it will ask you for a password if you want to enter one. It's optional, but obviously I suggest you add a password for your Ledger Live, because who knows, maybe someone will try to do something. Okay, so when you enter the first time, this is going to be, so let's open this up. Okay, this is going to be the Ledger Live, but obviously you won't have any accounts in here like I have Bitcoin 1 and Litecoin 1. You only will have portfolio, which is going to be empty. But basically you need to go to the manager in here. Then the first thing you need to do is connect your Ledger Nano S if it's not connected, obviously, and then input your PIN code. So let's do it really quickly. Okay, we confirm. Okay, allow Ledger Manager on your device. You just click on allow with the right button in here. Okay, I just did that. Okay, now you can enter your Ledger Manager from Ledger Live. So basically we don't need any more Ledger Manager or Ledger Wallet for Bitcoin and Litecoin, Ledger Wallet for XRP, Ledger Wallet for Ethereum, which we had all separately. Now we can find them all in here. And so you go to Manager. Here you can install other wallets or apps on your Ledger Manager. You can uninstall them if you want to. And as you can see, there are many new coins which you can which you can add on your Ledger Nano S. So basically now what you need to do to get to see your coins that you had on your Ledger Nano S, basically you go to accounts in here, click the plus sign, and in here you choose your wallet which you have balance on your Ledger Nano S. So basically this is the thing which you do if you haven't seen or haven't used Ledger Live, or if you are using Ledger Live for the first time. So basically I had Bitcoin and Litecoin, which I have added. So basically you just select the coin, then you continue to the device, then go to the accounts. It will synchronize with your Ledger Nano S. You just click on continue, then confirmation, and it will add your accounts in here. Unfortunately I don't have other coins on my Ledger Nano S. I have only Bitcoin and Litecoin, which I have already added, but believe me guys, it's really easy to do. You just follow the steps slowly if you are unsure, but it's really easy. And don't worry, you won't mess anything up. So basically that's it. You have a new feature in here where you can buy or sell your coins directly with Simplex, Luno, Paybees, Changelly, CoinMama, Genesis, which I personally, this is personal, don't get me anything wrong in here, but I don't like to use these direct exchanges for the coins, let's say buy or sell, because the fees are going to be very high. So basically they buy too cheap from you, and obviously they sell with too high price to you. So if you want to use one of these for quick conversion, then you can try, but I suggest that you check the prices first and see if the exchanges are better than this. But in my personal opinion and in my personal everyday usage, I can assure you that these prices are going to be way higher than the exchanges ones. So anyway, it's a personal thing. You can decide to do what you like to. Okay then. So that's it. Basically, this is Ledger Live. This is a really good thing. Now we can use all of our wallets in one place. We can check our balance. We can compare the balance. The balance is over time. We can see if we are down or if we are up. And obviously we can add as much coins and wallets or accounts, like they are called in here, as we like, because the Ledger now supports it. And yeah, that's it. As always, before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. Don't forget to turn on post notification, and also you can use my referral links which I have on my videos, because it would help my channel and me, obviously. And yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. Sorry I couldn't show you all the process step by step, because I did this, but unfortunately my recording was stopped, so I couldn't show you that. But believe me, it's really easy. You just need to follow the steps one by one and you are good to go. Okay then, thanks again very much for watching, and catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.